video, I'm going to be doing another Halloween tutorial. So if you can't not tell, I'm doing a Jack and Sally. And also before we hop in, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that big thumbs up, and let's hop right into the video. But first, I'm going to take a black eyeliner and outline my eyes for both sides. I'm just going to take that black eyeliner and draw a line right down my face to split out the Jack and Sally side. With some white face paint, I'm going to put that onto the Jack side and fill in my whole face with white. I'm going to take some baby blue face paint and put that onto the Sally side. Now with that white face paint, I'm going to use it to fill in my Sally eyeball. I'm going to take a black lipstick to fill in my Jack eyeball and then just blend it out. I'm going to take the same brush that I blended it out in and make a little carve into the eyeball for the Jack eyeball. I'll take in some blue eyeshadow. I'm just going to apply that to the Sally side so I can set the blue face paint. I'll take in some translucent powder. I'm just going to use it to set Sally's eyeball. Same translucent powder, I'm going to take it on a bigger brush for the Jack side to set the white face paint. Now moving on to Jack's mouth, I'm going to make a line with a black face paint and just start making the lines into the mouth. So to make it a little bit more realistic, I put it onto my lips. I'm going to take that same black eyeliner to recreate Jack's eyebrow. Back to Sally, I'm going to take some black face paint to make the lines for her stitches. For the stitches, I'm going to take some white face paint to make the lines for the stitches. I'm going to make some eyelashes for this Sally, and I'm going to use it with some black face paint. I'm going to take that same black face paint to make Sally's little eyeball. I'm going to take some red lipstick for Sally's lips. So that was my video for today. Hope you guys like it. Also leave a comment down below what other tutorials you want me to do, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.